Hello Earthlings, around 96% of animal species has some sort of complex optical system. Eyes provide us the ability to map our surroundings and warns us in case of any oncoming danger. In this episode we are going to discuss a less asked question of, how far can you see? To find the answer we need help of a Greek mathematician and philosopher, Pythagoras. Suppose this circle is Earth, with a radius of r, which is around 3,958 miles or 6,371 kilometers. Here h is your height, or the height of your eye, above sea level, and L is the length of the line connecting our eye directly to the horizon. Solving this with Pythagoras' theorem, we get L equals 1.22459 multiplied with square root of your height. That means, limit of your personal visibility is limited by how high your eyes are. Average male is 171 centimeters or 5.6 foot tall, which allows him to see a ship from 2.9 miles or 4.6 kilometers while standing on a beach or seashore. Similarly, average height of a female is around 159 centimeters or 5.2 feet, which will give her a range of 2.8 miles or 4.5 kilometers. If Sultan Kosen from Turkey had the job to scout ships, then he would be able to recognize it from an impressive distance of 3.65 miles, 5.8 kilometers. Thanks to his incredible height of 8 feet 9 inches or 266.7 centimeters, making him the tallest human alive. On the ocean we have Symphony of the Seas, with a length of 1,184 feet and a carrying capacity of 6,680 passengers, along with 2,200 crew. She is the largest cruise ship. With a height of 238 feet, she provides a viewing range of 19 miles or 30 kilometers. Obviously you can see more than just few kilometers. You just have to get yourself higher. Burj Khalifa has one of the highest observation deck called, At the Top Sky, at a height of 1,821 feet. Here you can enjoy an unprecedented viewing range of 84 kilometers. Burj Khalifa is so tall that you can watch sunset twice on the same day. In fact, during Ramadan people living on top of the Burj Khalifa will have to fast longer because of this time difference, about 3 minutes between the time of the sunset on the ground and the sunset on the top. Residents living above the 80th floor should fast for an extra 2 minutes, while those on the 150th floor and higher should wait for 3 more minutes before eating or drinking. We have mountains and peaks which are way taller than Burj Khalifa, and will increase your field of view by many-fold. The summit of Mount Everest is at an incredible height of 29,030 feet. If you can stand there, then you will have a view up to 333 kilometers. Since Mount Everest is surrounded by mountains, achieving this view is not practically possible. Asia, Europe and America has their individual longest sightline. Mount Sanford, a shield volcano in Alaska, provides a viewing range of 318 kilometers. From its summit you can see the highest mountain peak of North America, Denali. In Europe, on a clear day you can locate Pic Gaspar, a mountain in the French Alps, all the way from a Spanish mountain called Pic de Finestrelles. The straight line distance between these two mountain peaks is around 443 kilometers. The longest line of sight that you can achieve on Earth is by standing on the summit of Dankova in Kyrgyzstan and gazing a mind-boggling 538 kilometers away to the Hindu Ta mountain pass in China. This is only possible under favorable weather conditions. With a resolution of 576 megapixels, our eyes are totally capable to see objects which are much further away than imaginable. If we look up to the sky we can see numerous such examples. Massive yellow blob of light, the Sun is at a distance of 150 million kilometers. Saturn is the most distant planet we can see with our naked eye, and it is at a distance of 1.43 billion kilometers from us. But don't worry, our eye can detect objects which are outside of our solar system. All the stars which you can see without a telescope lies within our Milky Way galaxy. The distance is so huge that we have to use light years for measurement. Light year is an astronomical unit for distance, which is equivalent to the distance that light travels in 1 year. Or in simple term, 1 light year equals 9.5 trillion kilometers. Which is this big number? For understanding, if you are driving at a constant speed of 100 km per hour, it will take you 10.8 million years to cover this distance. That too without any refreshment breaks, oops. The farthest star that is visible to the naked human eye is called V762 SOS, in the Cassiopeia constellation. It is 16,310 light-years away from Earth. Although there are many galaxies closer to Milky Way compared to M31. Andromeda Galaxy is the furthest thing you can see with your unaided eye. It is a collection of trillions of stars at a distance of 2.5 million light-years away, or these many kilometers. With the advancement of space age, humans has launched many satellites along with some ground-breaking telescopes into space. Hubble Space Telescope launched on April 1990 has made more than 1.4 million observations over the course of its lifetime. GNZ11 is one of the greatest discovery made by this telescope. It is a galaxy which is approximately at a distance of 32 billion light-years from Earth. Hubble observed as it existed 13.4 billion years ago, just 400 million years after the Big Bang. GNZ11 remains the farthest object mankind has ever seen. But soon all these might get changed. NASA along with European Space Agency and Canadian Space Agency are currently developing James Webb Space Telescope, which is set to launch on October 2021. With its highly sensitive sensors along with a mirror of 6.5 meters in diameter, James Webb will be able to show us the universe as it was only 100 to 250 million years after Big Bang. This will not only help scientists to understand the process that took place at that time but perhaps also transform our current understanding of universe. But that is a topic of another wondering episode. If you learned something new, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, keep wondering.